Hello, my name is Nisha Holmes. I'm a senior consultant on the experts team with Analysis Prime. Today I'm going to discuss one of the QRC2 2023 releases. This concerns the multi-action and showing a warning status along with a message if the step execution has a warning. So as you can see here, if you select the bell, you'll see the drop down with the multi-actions that have run. And then, so if you have a warning, not only you receive the warning, but you'll also receive a message that more clearly states what the warning is about. You can see it there, and then you can see it here. So this will help identify really where the warning is happening or the problems going on with your data action. Excuse me, your multi-action.